Hello friends, Root One Shrike back with another video from ShrikeLinux Uganda, and in this video I'm going to show you some of changes we have made in our distros, ShrikeLinux, Archshrike or Lanius Linux, Kampala Linux, Shrike-Server, ShrikeLinux, a Debian-based distro called Kiira Linux, and a Void-based distro called ShrikeV. There are some tools here. I can show you. This is our welcome dialog. It has just few things: update and install software, whereas this one takes you to Octopi. For Debian you find here what is that? Synaptic. And for void here it will take you to our Shrike updater, because I've made some improvement. So let's see the improvement. So the tools right now we have 6 of them, but for this month I've added 2, and I've upgraded 3 of them. So the other 4 I've not added them because I've not yet tested them, and I'm still busy. So we have Shrike USB Maker, Shrike USB GUI, Shrike USB, Shrike Updater, Make XFCE Great Menu, Shrike-Server Manager. Okay, let me show you how we have made. This is our Make XFCE Great. We have changed everything. So there is someone who says that XFCE-Menu looks bad. That's why it doesn't run XFCE. Then that's why I started the other Make XFCE Great menu, the first one. So this is the improvement, and this is the update I've made. And also we have another tool here, this one, Shrike menu. It opens like this one also, but for it has packed together the programs, but they are the same, they work the same. You can search for your tool or for your program or software. And let's go to Make XFCE Great menu. This one, even this one works well. So for our distros right now, Kiira Linux, Debian distro, ShrikeV, and all our Archshrike distros, this menu is going to be there. Next update, building ISOs, this menu is going to be there. Some of these distros like ShrikeLinux, you'll find it here in the corner. This is not the default bar. This is my machine I'm working on. I used to like my production machine, yeah, but I've added here Make XFCE Great menu, this one here. So let's see other tools I've added. We have this one. I've improved this one. This is Shrike USB GUI. This one makes USB Maker, and it's another tool here I've added. Where is those tools? This one for terminal, again makes USB. And then we have a new tool we have added, Shrike Services, Service Manager. This one, you go to a tool like this, you can start, you can stop, enable, disable, or refresh the service, not tool, the service. So that is how it works. It's a new tool in ShrikeLinux, one of tools I've been building. And let's see another tool here. This one, Shrike Updater. I've made some changes and improvements. So previously it wasn't able to run commands or run updates and everything without terminal. Right now you don't use a you don't need a terminal to use it. For example, I can show you where you go to full system update. You run like this, prompts you with a password. You put your password here, it proceeds. You don't need right now anything like terminal to run it through the terminal, via terminal, and then you proceed with your things. You don't need that one. And everything, even installation, it shows you the programs you have on machine. And this one for Pacman, and also here for ShrikeLib, the AUR repo. So those are the things we have. It uses Trazen for URL, AUR. And so this tool, if you are in Void Linux, a base distro called ShrikeV, when you press here install software like this, it's the one which will appear. It works well. In Kiira Linux, here there is Synaptic. So that is how it is. This welcome dialog, it's for Zen Spectra WM version. This is XFCE, but I have several environments on this desktop here. And what else? So far this menu will be the one you're going to use. The other one I've shown. Where is the other one? This one will be maybe for future use. I don't know. It's packed together, so I have inside me, I think, okay, I don't know, but as it is packed together, I don't think that you love it. This one is just, it has some spaces. At least it is easy to know what you want to select. You can search it via there. It is just transparent. Let's first change. Should we put this one? Let's see this one. You see? That is our menu, the one we have. So, okay, there is something else I wanted to say. Is that I promise you guys to give you Alpine based distro instead of Shrike-Server, Alpine based distro, but I got some challenges that AP build doesn't build well my Karamoris, so we are not going to get Alpine based distro for now, and those ones who wants a Slackware based distro, wait, I'm still busy, but when time comes I will build it. Yeah, because always my month is a bit busy from date 28th, I mean, yeah, 28th to 15 next month. Every month I'm always busy, so I'll see when I get time to build them. So I think that is that's our video today. And please, if you want to improve Shrike scripts like this one, the XFCE menu I've built, please request for the code I give you, then you do whatever you want. Because the reason why I'm not uploading these codes is that every time I'm adding something new, so putting them on my code bag and then removing them, add something new, put them there, it's disturbing. Okay, for me, I think I'm lazy. It's something which, okay, it disturbs me a lot. So what I do is putting them on my home server or my PC here. Then whenever I want to build something, I want to add a feature there, I just get tools to sync them. I get them, I work on them, I keep them like that. But putting them on my code bag, it's something which most of time it's hard for me to put them there, upgrade them, push them back like that. It's hard for me. Yeah, also I need organized workflow. So I know it's not looking the way you like. It's not fancy, or it's not. That's why if you want to add something, please, I'm welcoming you to ask for the code. I give you the code, you do whatever you want, but in future, if okay, I'll upload it, but right now they're on my home server. So I think some of you have that link because you used it. Some of you used it to download the ISOs. Though this month I have not updated the ISOs. The ISOs which are there are all ISOs. I've been so busy. But those codes I will be sharing with you, these codes. And also, if you want the code, you just ask for them, I give you. This is open source. There is nothing I'm hiding, only that it's hard for me to put them on code bag, bringing them, like reconfigure them, pushing them there. For me, it's something which is painful for me. Just being lazy, maybe. Also, what I wanted to add on that is that our two distros, ShrikeV, we are not going to have a repository. You use the default repository for Shrike for Void Linux, because I'm busy. So those tools or those programs which those ones who you request me to add on them, I'll add them while I'm building the distro. The distro will be with all the packages you need, because the reason is that every month I'll be upgrading those ISOs, so I don't think we need the repository. I can maintain those packages on my system at home. Then you'll be using the official void repo and also the community repo. But the changes, tools, new tools and everything will be built locally at home. I'll add some packages on my server and I'll give you a link, a repo to access them. But being that my weather here sometimes is bad, and also you find that my server sometimes it's off, that's why I'm not offering that, because I have a repo here at home, but even those repos I'm not adding them in these distros, because you find the server is off, and I don't want to give you a broken thing. I want from, you know me, even my window managers, I give you I configure the keys which are easy to cram, easy to use, and I leave the space for you to configure the way you want. I don't want someone who configures the window manager using all keys on the keyboard then gives you to use it. I want you to put less scripts, to give you a chance, even you to add yours, or to change everything you need, but in a way that in an environment that it shows that there is need of adding something, not covering everything on keyboard then it gives you everything. So I want to give you what it works. I don't want to give you something which is broken. So that's why that repo, I will not recommend you to use it, but you can still use it, but if you decide. But in this system I will not put it there, because sometimes my server will be off and you complain to me. Also, that goes to Kiira Linux. We will use the official repo for Debian, but also I will build packages on my local computer at home on my machine, so shipping the distro will be fully updated with new tools and everything. So that is what I'm going to do. So for Arch-based distros, you still have your repos. The repos will still be there, all of them. It's just for Void and Debian based distro only. So that is our video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.